Welcome back to Inputs and Outputs. Today we're exploring the top trends shaping the future of broadcast newsroom technology. If you're a broadcast engineer, content producer, or just curious about where the industry is heading, stick around as we break down the key innovations transforming how we deliver news in the digital age. In a 24/7 digital landscape, the challenge of delivering engaging content across multiple screens, platforms, and streaming services has never been more pressing. From traditional TV broadcasts to social media, newsrooms are evolving rapidly to meet these new demands. Let's dive into the technology trends enabling this evolution, starting with rundown and playout solutions. One of the biggest trends we're seeing in rundown news media management and playout solutions is the move towards cloud-native technologies, artificial intelligence, and microservices architectures. These advancements allow for greater scalability and flexibility, essential for today's dynamic broadcast environments. Products like Grass Valley's GB Stratus Rundown are leading the way by integrating these technologies to enhance newsroom workflows. These systems are designed to handle complex operations like publishing to the web and social platforms, managing live event rundowns, and even pushing user-generated content directly to on-screen graphics, all from a centralized interface. Here are a few key examples of how GB Stratus is leading the way. AMP native MOS Clip List Player integrates with AMP players connected to Framelight X, enabling control via an NRCS rundown for newsroom and live event production. Multiple rundowns supports multiple rundowns with features like previewing intros and or outros, managing end clip behavior, and post-roll support. MOS compatibility. This playout application is compatible with the MOS protocol, enhancing its functionality in fast turnaround production workflows for news and sports. Cloud-based production. Framelight X, part of the AMP suite, supports cloud-based production, allowing users to work remotely and distribute content globally. Stratus is also integrating with more third-party hardware like Ross Video Inception. But it's not just about one product. Similar advancements are being made by other companies like Ross Video and Avid, which are also incorporating cloud and microservices to streamline multi-user collaboration and content management. Each product has its own strengths and weaknesses, and a little homework is required before discovering what's best for your newsroom. Next, let's talk about camera systems and studio robotics. The trend here is towards automation and AI-driven control systems. For example, studio robotics like those from Ross Video's new Artimo are increasingly integrated into broadcast environments, providing precise control over camera movements. But Ross isn't alone in this space. Manufacturers like Telemetrics and MRMC are also pushing the envelope with AI-enhanced robotics that can track and adjust shots in real time, reducing the need for manual intervention. Selecting the right movement and shot can be controlled with a single touch on pre-configured presets. When it comes to prompters, the shift towards voice-activated AI is clear. AutoScript Voice is a prime example. Using active listening, Voice continuously monitors the production audio feed to automatically advance the script as the words are spoken. It will even pause for ad-libs and resume scrolling when the presenter is back on script, allowing them to comfortably read the script without the extra effort of manual scroll control. No need for a foot pedal. Voice automatically handles numerous script and show formats, supports multiple presenters, and can understand regional accents. Similar innovations are being developed by companies like QScript, and it would be recommended to check out both. Graphics and virtual sets are another area where technology is advancing rapidly. The trend is towards real-time 3D graphics and augmented reality, or AR. You are starting to see more high-end graphics work for weather, elections, sports, markets, and breaking news coverage. Unreal Engine has become a cornerstone for many broadcasters, allowing for the creation of hyper-realistic virtual environments, in combination with a graphics server by Zero Density or Brainstorm. Both of these tools are increasingly user-friendly and accessible to smaller production teams. There's also a host of low-cost and high-end Unreal Engine creatives that you can outsource set creation to. Let's talk about remote contribution, which has become crucial in today's newsroom workflows. The trend here is towards better color, higher resolution, multicam, 5G-enabled transmission, etc. LiveView's LU800 is a great example. The LiveView Backpack is arguably the most used cellular-based system for news and sports, and is as reliable as satellite and fiber. The LU800 is the flagship and can handle up to 4 high-res cameras and fully frame-seeked feeds. LU800 bonds up to 14 connections with up to 8 5G, 4G internal dual SIM modems, supporting up to 60 megabits per second based on LiveView's award-winning patented HEVC technology. For high-res and better color, the LU800 can do 4K P60 10-bit HDR transmission for optimal color depth and richness, as well as up to 16 audio channels. As an add-on, you can remotely operate PTZ via IP pipe, and Tally for talent, provide video return feed, and intercom via Audio Connect. These systems are designed to be flexible, supporting multiple high-resolution feeds from a single portable unit. On this channel, we have talked at length about the impact of SMPTE 2110 in videos and podcasts. Moving to SMPTE 2110 and other IP-based infrastructure solutions makes a lot of sense now more than ever, especially if you're looking to make a complete upgrade to your facility. The compatibility of various manufacturers has significantly improved, while the cost of adoption has gone from expensive to easily justifiable, particularly because of the technological trends that it enables. Transitioning to an IP-based infrastructure now offers both the flexibility of routing, processing, and multicasting of any signal, but also enables simpler and cheaper connectivity to next-generation virtualized solutions and signal formats. So there you have it, the top trends in newsroom technology for 2024. From cloud-native rundown solutions to AI-driven studio robotics and real-time 3D graphics, these innovations are transforming how we deliver news. Remember, it's not just about one product or manufacturer. These trends are shaping the entire industry. If you want to stay ahead, keep an eye on these technologies and consider how they can integrate into your newsroom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in broadcasting technology. Until next time, keep innovating.